Kia ora koutou ko tāku tā rāpata wiri tēnei e mihi atu ana kia koutou, nau mai, haere mai, ki tēnei whakāturanga. Kia ora everyone, it's a rāpata wiri here, and welcome to our little video. I thought I'd make a little video to explain a new book that we are launching in November of 2023. And I just want to share with you this book. I'm very excited about this new book we're going to launch. This is level 3 of Reo Ora, a Māori language course for intermediate level learners. And I want to show you that we have developed a new methodology for teaching Te Reo Māori. And I'm just going to screen share with you. And today we are joined by Ron Michael. Tēnā koe, Ron.
Kia ora.
Ron has been learning Te Reo Māori for a few years now, and he is level, what would you say you are, Ron? Level 1.5, 2?
Yeah, 2.
Ka pai. So we're going to introduce you to level 3, Ron, and I'm going to use you as my guinea pig today. Kei te pai tērā, is that fine? Ka pai. So this is just some of my book here, and I'm just going to show you some of the chapters in the book. And really what I want to explain to you is the methodology. So the unique thing about this particular book is that we have a 5-step method. First, step 1, we show you the Māori sentence pattern. So in this particular example, we are giving you a verbal sentence in Māori, a verbal sentence. So the sentence goes like this: Kei te hanga a heta I te whare. Now this means in Māori, heta is building the house. So that's step 1. We show you the sentence pattern. Me whakaatu, we show you the sentence pattern. Step 2, as you can see here, we get you to say the sentence. So I'm going to practice with Ron over here. I'm going to practice with you, Ron. And I'm going to get you to say the sentence. We teach you how to say the sentence correctly. Nō reira, Ron, are you ready? Kua reri koe, kua rite koe.
Kia ora.
Okay, kōrero mai, Ron. Kei te hanga
a heta I te whare.
Ka pai tino a tāhua tō reo Māori, Ron. That is perfect Māori. So the second part of this method is that we teach you how to say the sentence correctly. Even though you may not get it right at first, practice makes perfect. So let's move on to step 3. Are you ready? Kua rite koe, Ron, to go on to step 3 of our program. Ka pai. Step 3, we break down the sentence pattern like this. We show you, I'll just show you the sentence pattern. We break it down for you. So in this particular one, we explain the grammar and the structure of the sentence in a simple way. For example, verb, subject, object. V, S, O. So in Māori, we have a verbal sentence. You put the verb first. And in this particular example, hanga, which means build, goes first. Kei te hanga. The next is what, Ron? What goes after the verb, Ron?
The subject.
The subject is, Ron?
Heta.
Heta. Right? So verb, subject, and lastly we have the object, which is, Ron?
Whare.
Whare means?
House.
Ka pai. So when you put those 3 things together, verb, subject, object, you get a verbal sentence in Māori. So let's get you to repeat that sentence again, Ron.
Kei te hanga a heta I te whare.
Tēnoa tāhua tō reo Māori. Very, very good Māori pronunciation there, Ron. You're going to get level 3 in no time at all. So as we explained, hanga means build, which is the verb. Heta is a subject, and the object is whare or house. So let's go on to step 4. Step 4. So are you ready, Ron? Are you ready for step 4? And this is a really important part. Me Whakaharatau, which means practice. In Māori, practice makes perfect. Like anything, great basketball players, rugby players, netball players, they practice, practice, practice. The same logic applies to learning a language. You have to practice till you get it perfect. And what we recommend is you've got to practice a sentence pattern at least 3 times, minimum. The more, the better. So let's try, Ron, with the same sentence pattern, but we're going to change it up a bit. Instead of saying Heta is building the house, we're going to teach you how to say Heta is sweeping the house. So instead of saying sweep, build, we're going to say sweep. And the word, Ron, for sweep is tahi tahi.
Tahi.
So Heta is sweeping the house. Kōrero mai, Ron?
Kei te tahi tahi a heta I te whare.
Ka rawe, Ron, kei te tahi tahi a heta I te whare. Okay, so all we've done here is replace the word hanga, which is built, for the word tahi tahi, which means sweep. Now, instead of saying Heta is sweeping the house, let's say Heta is sweeping the floor. Now, let's test Ron out.
Kei te tahi tahi a heta I te papa.
A tahua, Ron. Heta is sweeping the floor. So we've just replaced the object, house, with the word papa, which means floor. Now let's change the whole sentence, but we've got the same structure. Now let's say Heta is washing the car. Let's try this one, Ron.
Kei te horoi a heta I te waka.
Tēnoa tāhua tō reo Māori, Ron. Beautiful, beautiful reo. Heta is washing the car. So linguists say repetition of sentence structure is the most effective way of learning a language. So the more you repeat a sentence pattern and use them with everyday examples, the better. So we're just going to practice a couple more sentences with Ron. We're going to test out Ron's ability to remember this method. Okay, so Ron, instead of saying this sentence here, Heta is cleaning the car, let's say Heta is cleaning the dog, or washing the dog rather. So how te kupu Māori mō dog, Ron?
Kuri.
Kuri. So how would I say Heta is washing the dog?
Kei te horoi a heta I te kuri.
Ka pai, tino tai. Now, tino pai tō reo what? Now let's say Ron is cleaning or washing the house.
Kei te horoi a Ron I te whare.
Tēnō pai e hoa. So there you go. We've just practiced the sentence pattern 5 times with Ron. So that is step 4, tēnō pai, Ron. Now let's go and have a look at the last part of this. We've broken down the sentence structure. We've practiced it with Ron. And now we're going to go to step 5, where you have to translate into Māori. So we're just going to give you some random examples of some sentence patterns in Māori, just as we did there. So let's get you to translate some random sentences. Ron, I'm just going to give you 2 examples and we'll see how you go. So we're giving you the example of cleaning the car, right? So Ron, what is the Māori word for drive?
Drive. Te raiwa.
Haraiwa. So instead of saying Ron is washing the car, let's say Ron is driving the car.
Kei te raiwa a Ron I te waka.
Tēnō pai, tēnō pai. One more for you, Ron. Okay, let's say let's say you've got your wife's name is Eka, okay, and let's say Eka is driving the car.
Kei te taraiwa, eka I te waka.
Taua, kei runga noa atu koe Ron. So, e hoa mā. That's how our 5-step method works. We're really excited to launch this book coming up in November. We are going to be offering a free giveaway as part of Māori Language Week in 3 weeks' time. That's right. Te toru nā wiki kei te toi ki te wiki o Te Reo Māori. Part of our promotion of the wiki o Te Reo, we're going to give away a free book for all of those who are interested in learning Te Reo on our app at reoora.com. Levels 1 and 2. If you enroll for levels 1 and 2, you will get the book, the ebook, or level 3 for free. And you can go straight to the more sophisticated, everyday conversational sentences. Just as you've witnessed here with Ron, no reira ho mai te paki kia Ron ka pai. No reira ka te konei e hoa mā tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa ka huri.